Hi guys, Jordan here, and we've got some of our many Tesla Model S suspension components. Today we'll be looking and reviewing individual parts on our Tesla Model S suspension. Also feel free to take a look at our other components and in-depth reviews. Today you'll notice that looking at these parts, we have sourced some of the highest quality materials we can, as well as bushings for these parts to stand the test of the driving environments that they'll be put through. And we've made sure to look for the highest quality direct drop-in replacement parts to serve your vehicle many more miles to come. Let's get started and take a look at these parts. Here we got a rear toe link right here. As you can see, very high quality bushings. We have this etching pattern right here. This is the side that bolts into the subframe. This is the side that bolts up to the hub. So make sure that you get the direction as well as the orientation this correct. This is going to be part number 6006840-00-B's and Bravo. As you can see, fit and finish of this part is very good. No sharp edges. All these edges have been chamfered and smoothed off. The appearance of this part has a very good appearance, very high quality appearance. Very high quality bushings. By no means does this feel like a cheap part. Checked out other competitors on all these links, and can't say that many companies have the same quality bushings as we've got on these. These are definitely made to be a very good quality drop-in replacement link. Thanks for watching our Tesla parts review video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. In the description box, I will leave information where you can pick up these parts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And have a great day fixing your car. And we'll catch you on the next video.